Oh, merienda.
Ay, ano to, suhol?
Hindi, basta.
Kasi basically, 2 days? 2 days pa na kayo sa
Yes, 2
UV.
days.
So, talk to the first game. Nahirapan ba kayo with the adjustment?
Kung ako titignan lang, if you're going to rate that umabot ng third quarter, yung expectation ko nga, first quarter lang eh. As a coach eh, na lumaban sila eh. At umabot ng third quarter, but the game has to go down to the level ng fourth quarter. So yung tatamaan mo lang naman doon kung bibigyan ka ng ganong kapan. First time ko nga, for 30 years as coach, as a coach eh, bibigyan ka ng 2 days na kanot again. Just to reveal everything what really happened. Last 2 to 3 nights ago, I didn't know what really transpired. Then they called me in UE to go sa management. Then in front of management, I told them that I have to call Derry. This is to respect and as an ethics as a friend. Then sabi ko naman ni Coach Derry yung nangyari. And sinabi ng management and community na as much as possible to help them. So another tool of duty. This not actually more on coaching but serving back to university where they taught me and got me wherever. Quote and quote, literally places. But all basketball. Bumalik na ako sa from the only series after 9 years.
Yeah. Coach,